Hello everyone, welcome back to our next computing lesson. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to animate your name. So let's get started. The first thing we need is a backdrop. Click the backdrop button here. Search for a backdrop of your choice. So I am going to look for a spotlight backdrop. And then we are going to add some letters. Now, if we click the Sprite button here, you'll see that right at the end it says letters, and you can choose from a variety of letters to add to your backdrop. So I am going to pick some letters. So I'm going for the name Adam. So you can see that I've clicked the A and it's appeared. I'm now going to click the Sprite button again and look for the next letter in the name Adam. So I'm going to click the D, and then I need another A, and an M. Right, so let's move these letters into the correct order. So we'll start off with A, D, A, M. Perfect. So let's give these letters some instructions. Now, so I'm going to click on the first A, which is over here, which is this one, and I'm going to give it some instructions. So we're going to start off like we always do. So when the go button is clicked, I'm going to pick this one where it says when this sprite is clicked. I'm then going to add a looks button where I would like it to change the colour effect by 25. Now you can change the colours by changing the numbers, so try different numbers. So let's test out our A. So when I click the go button and I click my A, you'll see it's turned blue, the outline, and purple, pink, red, orange, green. Lovely. I'm now going to repeat this for every letter in this name. So do the same thing for the letter D. So when the go button is clicked, when this sprite is clicked, change colour by, okay, I'm going to keep repeating. And lastly, the letter M. There we go. Now every letter in this name will change colour when I click it. So let's test this out. So let's press the go button. And let's click out A, and now D, and A, again, and M. Lovely. So the next thing I'm going to teach you is now how to make your letters dance. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to add an events button. So when the sprite is clicked, and we're going to add a motion button, we'd like it to move 10 steps So we need to add a music block, which is an extension. So click this button down here, click music, and you'll see that down here you will get a set of instructions for music. So when the sprite is clicked, move 10 steps and then play drum for 0.25 beats. I'm then going to add another motion button because I want it to go the other way. So move minus 10 steps and let's add a music button. Play the drum. I'm going to change this to a closed hi-hat and let's test this out. So when I click my M, it should hopefully move to the music. Right, there we go. Lovely. So you can see that the letter M is changing colour every time I click it and moving to the sounds. Okay, so you need to do this for all the letters. So another thing I'm going to be teaching you is how to add instructions to change the size of your letters. So if we click on the A over here, let's give our A some instructions. Start off with events. So when this sprite is clicked, we're going to go to control and we need a repeat button, which is this one here. And then we're going to go to a looks button, which will be change size by, and then we're going to repeat these two, but then the second pieces of instructions will have a minus 10 because we want our letters to go back to their normal size. So adding control, so we're repeating, and we are changing the size by minus 10, so we need to add in that minus. And let's see if this works. So let's press the go button. Let's click on our A and you can see that the size of the A is increasing and then going back to its normal size again. Lovely. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to be teaching you is how you can program your letters to move or turn. So let's click on the D this time. Let's give D these instructions. Add in when the sprite is clicked. We're going to add a control button, which will be repeat. And then we're going to a motion button because we would like it to turn. So let's add this one here. And when we press go, you'll see that my D should turn 15 degrees. Change colour as well. There you go. Lovely. Perfect. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. So have fun and don't forget to save your work.